Hi everyone, I'm Nabakoza Patricia. I want to thank you for your prayers and support that you've showed me. I'm feeling much better now. I had a throat complication where I couldn't eat, I couldn't talk, and sometimes I couldn't even breathe so well. But right now I'm on treatment and I've been discharged from the hospital. I'm back home and I'm still alive. So I just need your prayers. Keep praying for me. Don't get so worried. I'm a strong girl, so I also need you guys to be strong for me. I love you guys so much and may God bless you.